Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, as we celebrate our country's independence, I want to talk to you about, while you're thinking of independence, how you can have tax independence. Imagine freedom from taxation. Because right now, folks, it doesn't feel like we're living in a free country. With these now right, $2 trillion deficit, spending years that they're just building and building and building, and we're just spending and spending and spending. The tax is going to have to come from somewhere. I'm going to be teaching this coming Tuesday, just like Tom and Lisa learned, and I'll teach you about their particular case example here in just a couple minutes. If you give me just a couple minutes of time, I don't want you to miss this. One is a strategy that they applied, which is issued through the Treasury Department, a tax credit. And these tax credits are in 100,000 tax credit increments. And what we found is, for the typical person out there that has worked hard and saved hard, I'm talking to you strong savers in IRAs and 401ks, you can use one or two of these tax credits and completely remove your IRAs to Roth IRAs and get your retirement money out of the tax system. So again, a $100,000 tax credit is dollar for dollar. So if you Roth convert, let's say $300,000 from IRA to Roth, that's going to trigger, depending on what your state income tax might be, somewhere around maybe $100,000 of tax. And you'd say, well, Chuck, this is why I've been told, like, shouldn't look at Roth conversion, or my person never talks to me about this. Because they don't have solutions, folks, and they don't have a proactive, forward-looking tax planner that's tied to the wealth planners to make sure that you're all rowing in the same direction. In that example, every $100,000 tax credit for most of our clients, it helps them convert $300,000 to $400,000 of IRA to Roth and be out of the tax system with their retirement assets and income. Add Tom and Lisa that we're planning to position, right, using our business exit blueprint program through our tax team, to where they can now posture, position, and structure the sale of their business to save the greatest amount of taxes, on top of using these strategies that I'm talking about, and using deductions and credits that they're now going to be able to avoid paying taxes on the sale of their business. And then the money that they clear, obviously without taxes on their business, they're able to keep that money tax-free by using forward-looking strategies like the rich man's Roth. I'll be teaching several of these things this coming Tuesday at retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com. I want you to imagine freedom from taxation, having actual true tax independence, folks. You work hard for your money. This is not about getting ready to get ready. This is about being ready and understanding that if you don't change, things will change for you. And maybe not the change that you're looking for, especially with this upcoming election outcome that clearly is up in the air at this point. Who's even running on the left, what that's going to look like, how much more they may try to manipulate the voting structure. Folks, the world is a mess. Control what you can control. You can control your own tax independence. You can have freedom from taxation. We do it for clients just like Tom and Lisa. They took the time to learn. They stopped getting ready to get ready, and they became ready. And if you're that person, take the time. Invest. retirementprotected.com, retirementprotected.com.